morning. Hi, good morning. So today I would like to see your mat as well. So तुम दोनों को कैमरा नीचे करना पड़ेगा, कृति एंड प्रेमलता थोड़ा सा. It will be more of sitting and lying down asanas today. Yes. Okay. You can lie down in Shavasana. Start in a minute. And check if you all are mute. Okay. Legs apart, hands away from your body, palms facing towards the sky, neck straight. Start breathing consciously. Take deep and long abdominal breathing. And relax your body. Prepare yourself for today's practice. From the mind, from the body. Release all the tensions you're carrying from yesterday or since morning you woke up. Just be in the moment. Take a few deep breaths, inhale and exhale long. Observe your belly rising up like a balloon when you are inhaling. Observe it going down when you are exhaling. Inhale and exhale slowly. And with the next exhalation, bring your feet together. Take your arms over and above your head. Interlock your fingers and give a nice stretch to your body. Stretch yourself, stretch nicely. And exhale. Take a turn towards any one side. Sit back and relax. Sit in any comfortable cross-leg position. We'll begin with 3 Om chanting and the prayer. Keep your eyes closed. Inhale deep. Om. सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Gently rub your palms together, generate nice heat. Rub, rub, rub. And then cup it to your eyes, give the nice warmth to your eyes. Bring your palms in front of you, look at your palms nicely, open your eyes with a good smile. Good morning. Premlata and Kruti, I am not able to see your video, only Rani ji's video I can see. And I think Rani ji, can you mute yourself? I think you're not on mute. No, Kruti. Yeah, now it's fine. Now it's working. Premlata, yours is still not working. Let me change. Is it? One moment. Okay. Oh, let's begin with Kapalbhati Pranayam. Sit in any comfortable cross-leg position, back straight, neck straight, hands in chin mudra, fingertip, tip of your index finger touching the tip of your thumb, elbows bent on your knees. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Neck straight. Make sure chin is parallel to the ground. You're not looking up or looking down. It should be straight and parallel. Take a moment. Inhale one more time deep and exhale. Ready for the first round. Inhale deep. Again 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Exhale completely. Inhale and exhale. Get ready for the first retention of your breath. Inhale, fill your lungs to 3/4 of your capacity, so it will be easy for holding. And hold your breath nice and comfortably. Keep your back straight, neck straight, and focus in between your eyebrow center. Hold as long as you can, or for 30 seconds, I'll tell you. Keep focusing in between your eyebrow center. Keep holding. Very nice. 5 more seconds. Slowly exhale and release completely. Inhale one more time. Keep your neck straight. Do not look up. So when you look up, it will block your spine, the nerves from the back of your spine. So it is to breathe easily and nicely, it is important to look forward and keep your head parallel, chin parallel to the ground. Get ready for the second round. Inhale. Begin. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Do not move your upper body. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 1 1 2. Exhale completely. Inhale deep and exhale slowly. Get ready for second round of retention. Inhale, fill your lungs with 3/4 of the capacity and hold your breath nice and comfortably. Inhale, keep holding, back straight, neck straight. Hold for 40 seconds or as long as you can. Focus in between your eyebrows, back straight, chin parallel to the ground. Nice. 5 more seconds. Exhale completely. Inhale and exhale. Get ready for Anulom Vilom. Stretch out your legs if you need to. Kruti, if you want, you can keep a cushion under you. That's fine. Okay. So let's start. Left hand in Chin Mudra. Right hand in Vishnu Mudra. 2 fingers folded. Thumb outside, little finger outside. Take a moment, inhale and exhale from both your nostrils. Now block your right nostril with your right thumb. Inhale from left. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Close both. Hold your breath. Exhale. Om 1 from the right. 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale right. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Close right. Hold your breath nicely. Exhale left. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. 6 on 7 om 8. Inhale left on 1 on 2 on 3 on 4. Close both. Hold your breath. Exhale right on 1 on 2 on 3 on 4 on 5 on 6 on 7 om 8. Inhale right on 1 on 2 on 3 on 4. Close both. Hold your breath. Exhale left on 1 on 2 on 3 on 4 on 5 on 6 on 7 on 8. Inhale left on 1 on 2 on 3 on 4. Close both. Exhale right. 1 on 2 on 3 on 4 on 5 on 6 on 7 on 8. Inhale right on 1 on 2 on 3 on 4. Close both. Hold your breath. Keep your back straight. Exhale left on 1 on 2 on 3 on 4 5 on 6 on 7 on 8. Inhale left on 1 on 2 on 3 on 4. Close both. Exhale right on 1 on 2 on 3 on 4 on 5 on 6 on 7 on 8. Inhale right on 1 on 2 on 3 on 4. Close both. Hold your breath. Exhale left on 1 on 2 on 3 on 4 on 5 on 6 on 7 on 8. Inhale left on 1 on 2 on 3 on 4. Close both. Hold your breath. Exhale right on 1 on 2 on 3 on 4 on 5 on 6 on 7 on 8. Inhale right 1 on 2 on 3 on 4. Close both. Last retention. Exhale left on 1 on 2 on 3 on 4 on 5 on 6 on 7 on 8. Release your hands on your knees. Keep your eyes closed. Take a moment. Inhale and exhale deeply. And gently, with your eyes closed, take a moment. Just normalize your breathing. And then, whenever you are ready, release your legs, shake your legs, move your shoulders a little bit. And stand up for Surya Namaskar. Come to the top of your mat. Inhale and exhale. Prayer position, round 1. Prayer position, inhale and exhale. Inhale, arms up, arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Palms beside your legs. Inhale, right leg back, right knee on the floor, right toes flat. Front leg in between your palms. I'll just correct from the second round. Just make sure your front leg is between your palms and it's 90 degrees. Take the other leg back, hold your breath. in plank position. Knees down, chest down, chin down slowly. Elbows close to your body. Slide forward, inhale, head up, chest up, Bhujangasana, elbows close to body. Lift your hips up to Parvatasana. Very nice. Inhale, right leg forward in between your palms. Look up, back knee on the floor, back toes flat. Exhale, other leg forward, fold forward. Stretch your arms, inhale, come up, arch back slowly, gently. Exhale, release. Inhale and exhale, prayer position on the left side. Inhale, arms up, arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Bend your knees and keep your palms on the floor beside your legs. Okay. Left leg back, inhale. Look up. Toes flat, back toes flat always. Hold your breath, other leg back to plank. Whole body in one straight line. Make sure your wrist and shoulders are in one line. Look at your wrist and shoulder once. Knees down, chest down, chin down, elbows close to the body. Slide forward, inhale, head up, chest up, inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, lift your hips up to Parvatasana. Look at your toes here. Inhale, left leg forward, in between your palms, back toe flat, back knee on the floor. Look up. Other leg forward, exhale, fold forward. Now stretch your arms in line with your ears and then come up, arch back. Exhale, release. Second round, inhale and exhale. Prayer position. Inhale, arms up, arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, right leg back. Right knee on the floor, right toes flat, front leg forward in between your palms. Nice. Other leg back, hold your breath. Knees, chest, chin on the floor. Slide forward, head up, chest up, Bhujangasana. Inhale, exhale and come to Parvatasana. Look at your big toes. Bring your right leg in between your palms. Inhale. Exhale, other leg forward. Inhale, stretch up, arch back, slowly, gently. Exhale, release. Inhale and exhale, prayer position. Inhale, arms up, arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, left leg back, left knee on the floor, left toes flat, look up, front leg 90 degrees in between your palms. Other leg back, whole body in one straight line, plank, hold your breath. Knees, chest, chin on the floor. Now try to touch your forehead if you are comfortable on the floor instead of chin. Try to touch the forehead on the floor. Yes. Slide forward, head up, chest up, elbows close to the body, elbows bent. Exhale, lift your hips up to Parvatasana. Inhale, left leg forward, in between your palms, left knee, right knee on the floor, right toes flat, look up. Premlata, bring your leg little more forward, front leg. Yes. Other leg forward. Fold forward. Stretch your arms first in front of you. Stretch them in front of you. Inline your head. And then come up, arch back. Slowly release. Next round, inhale and exhale, prayer position. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale right. Hold your breath, other leg. Exhale, knee, chest, chin. Inhale, head up, chest up. Exhale, hips up to Parvatasana. Inhale, right. Exhale, other leg. Inhale up. Exhale, release. Inhale and exhale, prayer. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale left. Hold your breath. Other leg back. Exhale, knees, chest, chin. Slide forward, inhale, head up, chest up. Elbows bent, elbows close to the body. Exhale, lift your hips up. Inhale, left. Exhale, right. Inhale, up. Exhale, down, release. Now gently lie down on your mat. Take a moment there. We will start with leg raises. Keep your legs straight. Palms beside your body for single leg raises. Now inhale and exhale completely. Just take a moment. Now ready for the single leg raises. Inhale, slowly rise your right leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Exhale, slowly down. Inhale, left leg up. Bring it very slow and nice. Keep your knees straight. Exhale, down. Inhale, right up. Exhale, down. Inhale, left. Exhale, down. Inhale, right. Exhale, down. Inhale, left. Exhale, down. Inhale, right, and interlock your fingers behind your thighs. Pull your leg towards you. Stretch it as much as you can, wherever you are comfortable. Now inhale and lift your head up, chest up towards your knee. Slide your hand up, try to catch hold of your ankle. Bring your leg near to your head as much as possible. Very nice. Feel the stretch in your back of the leg. Release your head on the floor. Release your leg. Same thing on the left side. Left leg up. Inhale. Interlock your fingers behind your legs. Stretch it towards you first. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Inhale, head up, chest up. Try to touch your knee. Bring your hand up. Try to catch hold of your ankle. Feel the stretch nicely. Other leg on the floor. Other leg is straight. Nice. Do as much as you can. Hold there for a moment. And release. Now choose the hand position. If you have lower back pain or any kind of back pain, put your hands under your hips. Slide your hands under your hips. If you are comfortable, you can keep your hands beside your body or under your head like this for more stretch. And we'll begin with double leg raises. Bring your legs together. Keep supporting your back wherever you need to. Inhale and lift both your legs up to 90. Slowly and gently inhale. Feel the stretch in your lower abdomen. Hold there and exhale with control. Slowly exhale and release down. Very nice. Inhale up. Slowly exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Rani ji, instead of holding the mat, you can bring your hands under your hips. Yes, inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Don't bring it to on the floor. Just keep it above 1 inch above the floor when you are exhaling down. Keep your head on the floor. Do not lift your head. Inhale up. Bring your legs to 90 degrees. Now when you are exhaling down, then do not bring your legs on the floor. Exhale down. Slowly, 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 slowly. Now inhale up again from here. With my count, 10, 9, 8, down, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time, inhale up and try to hold your shin bone or your toes or your legs from wherever possible. Just try to bring your legs towards your face by supporting. Very nice. Very nice. Exhale, release them on the floor. Release. Now bend your knees. Bend your knees and hug them. Catch hold of your knees and hug them nicely. Bring your head up. Inhale and head up, chest up, and slightly roll your body. Roll back and forth, side to side. Just massage your back. Nice. Exhale and release. Just relax for a moment. Legs apart, hands apart. Take a breath. Inhale and exhale deep. Just observe where you have felt the stretch right now. Now gently bring your legs together. Stretch your arms over and above your head nicely. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale, release. Come, take a turn and sit back nicely, smoothly. Let's practice Paschimottanasana. We learned yesterday. Stretch your legs in front of you. Flex your toes towards you. Toes towards you. Take your arms up, over and above your head. Inhale. Look in between your palms. Back straight. Now with an exhalation, fold forward. Fold. Catch hold of your legs wherever possible. Try to catch hold of your big toes and bend as much as you can. Hold. Hold the posture. Inhale and exhale there. With every exhalation, try to go down. Hold. Make yourself stable and comfortable in the posture. Premlita, just hold wherever possible. If it is not the toes, just hold your shin bone or calf muscles and stay in the posture. Making yourself stable and comfortable is important. Yes. Stay for 10 more seconds. Keep breathing. Breathe nice and long. Now stretch your hands in front of you and come up. One more time we will do. Keep your back straight. Hands up. Look up towards the sky once. Look in between your palms. And then slowly fold forward. Catch hold of your legs wherever possible. And stay there and keep breathing. Keep breathing. Hold for 30 seconds. Hold. Benefit of any asana will be there only when you hold it. Even if you are not reaching the final position, somewhere in the middle you have to keep yourself steady and hold the posture. Flex your toes towards you. Feel the stretch in your back of your legs. 5 more seconds. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Now stretch your arms in front of you. Come up. Place your hands behind your hips. Palms facing outside. And then either fold your knees and come into tabletop or full Purvottanasana. Counter stretch. Lift your hips up. Inhale. Lift your hips up, up, up. You can stretch, Ranji. You can just stretch your body back by sitting on the floor. Bring your hips down. One more time. Inhale and lift your hips up, 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 up. Yes, very nice. Hold, take a moment. Breathe nicely. Very nice, very nice. Exhale, release. Just look at me for the next posture. Today we'll learn some prone positions, like abdominal lying down position, So first we will relax in Makarasana. Whenever we will relax in our abdomen, we will relax in Makarasana. So here you will keep your one palm over the other, one hand over the other, and we'll keep our face on the palm. Our big toes will be touching, heels will be falling apart, and just this is relaxing position. And we will start our first asana in this pose is Cobra, which we do in Surya Namaskar as well. So how we will do it? We'll keep our head on the floor, palms will be just below the shoulder and elbows close to body. Then with inhalation we will lift our head up, chest up, come on our palms. We'll keep the feet together if we do not have any back pain or shoulder pain or any kind of slip disc, spondylitis, anything. If it is there, then we'll keep our legs away from each other and come only as much as we can. But if you are comfortable with elbows bent, you have to stretch your chest, neck, and you are not shrugging your shoulder like this. Your shoulders will be away from your ears. So one more time I'll show. Inhale, head up, chest up. If you are comfortable here, stay here. Lift your chest little more up, but elbow should be bent close to the body. So this is Cobra. And when we'll come out of this pose today, we'll relax again in Makarasana. So for coming out again, we will lift up completely and then we'll slide back in child's pose. So this is really good for regulating our periods if someone has PCOD, and it's really good for our reproductive system as well. So only if you have severe back pain, sciatica or any spondylitis, you have to be very careful while lifting your shoulders up and stretch in your back. Okay, lie down in Makarasana. Your palms one over the other. Place your cheek on your palms, one side. Toes together, heels apart. Premlata, palms like this, hands like this in front of you. Yes, like you are relaxing. Toes together, heels falling apart. Just take a moment. Now place your forehead on the floor, feet together, forehead on the floor, palms beside your shoulders. Lift your elbows beside the body, yes. Now with an inhalation, lift your head up, chest up, elbows bent, elbows close to the body. Palms little down, Premlata. Your palms were not near to shoulder. It's correct, Kruti. Look up, look up, look up. Feel the stretch in your neck, your chin area. If you want to reduce your double chin. Very nice. Just feel the stretch. Hold the posture. Very nice, Raniji. Premlata, elbows close to the body. Yes, elbows always close to the body, elbows bent. This is how we will be doing in Surya Namaskar as well. Now exhale, release yourself on the floor, forehead on the mat. One more time we will do. Make sure your elbow is bent and touching your body. Now inhale, head up, chest up again. Nice. Yes, Premlata, up to here is fine. Now do not bring your shoulder towards your ear. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. Look up. Kruti, look up. Very nice. You can try to look back also, Kruti, like this as much as you can, little more. Yes, nice, nice, perfect. Exhale and release. Rest in Makarasan. Palms on each other. Makarasan. Premlata, yes. Just take a moment and slowly come out of the posture. Palms on the floor, lift your body completely up. From here you will come like this. I told you, no? From this asana, if you're coming out, just lift your body and sit back. And then look at me for the next one. So we will learn Shalabh Asana today. That is locust pose. We will learn half locust and full locust. So only if you have diabetes, then you should avoid this posture completely. It will increase the sugar level suddenly. It also increase heartbeat suddenly, this pose. So it's good, like you'll feel like you have come from running. So your head will be on the floor initially, then both your palms, both your hands will be sliding inside. So either you can keep them like this, you can make a fist for the support, but your hands will be completely under your body. Your chin will be always on the mat. And for half Shalabh, inhale and lift your right leg up and down, left leg up and down. Your hands will be always on the floor and chin on the floor. And for full Shalabh, you will lift both your legs up, chin will be always on the floor, and exhale, release. So full Shalabh might be difficult initially. So bring as much as you can. Even if it's coming here, that's fine. But your chin should be always on the floor. And then again coming out from here will be this. From Cobra, full Bhujang, and then back. So it suddenly increases the blood circulation as well, this Shalabh Asana. So make sure you don't have any diabetes issue or anything, right? Nobody? Okay, then lie down on your abdomen. It's good for our back flexibility. So who want to learn back bends, no? They should practice this more. Come into Makarasana. Just relax in Makarasana. Take 1 or 2 breaths. Prepare yourself. Imagine yourself first that you are in this posture. You are going to do that. Prepare your mind, prepare your body. Now slide both your hands under your body. Make a comfortable position. Palms either facing down or up or fist. You will understand it with under your body completely, like this I showed, no Premlata? Both your hands under your body, stretch them near to your pelvis area. Premlata, like this. Your palms will be going like this. Yes, exactly. Chin on the floor, everyone. Now inhale, lift your left leg up, right leg up. Only right leg up with your knee and thigh up. Exhale down. Inhale, left leg up, chin on the floor. Exhale down. Inhale, right up. Exhale down. Do not lean your body to any side. Your body balance should be at the center. Lift your left leg up and down. One more time. Lift your right leg up. Right thigh up and down. Lift your left leg up and down. Now adjust your hands again. Prepare yourself for both legs up. Inhale, lift both your legs up with thighs also up, not only knees, completely floating, chin on the floor. Bring the first, keep your legs straight, then it will come up and down. Do not bend your knees, so it will be easy to bring them up. Hands under your body for the support. One more time we'll do. Inhale, lift both your legs up. Up as much as you can. Up. Little more. Very nice. Release. One last time we'll practice. Adjust your hands again for the last round. Inhale, chin on the floor. Inhale and legs up, both legs up. Keep your knees straight. Up, thighs up. Nice, very nice. Up as much as you can. Nice. Hold it for a while. Hold. Exhale and release. Relax in Makarasana. Release your hands. Place cheeks on your palms. Look at the other side now. And relax. Feel your belly touching the ground. You might have felt your heartbeat completely rising up. Now slowly bring your palms to the shoulder. Lift your body. Head up, chest up, elbows straight. And then sit back in child's pose. And then lie down on your mat in Shavasana. Lie down on your mat. Legs apart. Hands away from your body. Let your armpit breath. Take it, breathe. Make yourself comfortable. Adjust yourself. Take a moment. Just shake your legs flex your toes, shake your legs. Make a tight fist of your hands. Open and close. Move your hands, move your shoulders. Relax your shoulders. Shrug your shoulders to your ears. Move your head side to side, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. Squeeze your face, stretch your face nicely. Make a lemony face at one point. Stretch it completely. Open your eyes, stretch your tongue out. Give a nice stretch to your tongue. It works a lot. Hold it. And release. Now just prepare yourself for final relaxation. Keep your back straight. Feel it completely touching on the floor. Make any adjustments. After that, try not to move for rest 7 minutes. Now inhale and exhale deep and long. Each and every breath you should feel your belly rising up and down. Your complete focus should be on your own breath, your own body. I am relaxing myself. I am relaxing my toes. I am relaxing my calf muscles. I am relaxing my knees. relaxing my hip muscles. I'm relaxing my lower back, middle back and upper back. I'm relaxing both my hands, right to left. I'm relaxing both my shoulders. I'm relaxing my neck, my ears, my eyes. I'm relaxing my internal organs, my abdomen, my liver, my kidneys. I'm relaxing my heart, my throat, my tongue, eyes and ears. I'm relaxing my whole body from toe to top of my head is now completely relaxed. Now focus in between the eyebrow center and just observe your breath and keep the awareness within yourself. You did great today. Your practice was wonderful. You have given your 100%. And tell yourself, I'm doing good today, I'll do better tomorrow. Just focus in between your eyebrow center and keep chanting if you have any mantra, personal mantra, or if you believe in something. It brings a nice positive aura around you. It makes you self-aware. Keep the same energy and same breathing throughout your day, in all your practice, in all your work. Keep yourself relaxed. Stay mindful. Take a moment. Take 1 minute to yourself. Bring the awareness back to your surrounding, the noises around you, the air around you. Feel your legs, gently move your toes, wriggle your fingers. Feel them again with your body. Move your head side to side. Gently bring both your legs together. Keep them straight, nice and straight. Both your hands over and above your head. Stretch them nicely, interlock your fingers. Give a nice stretch to your body. Nice. Exhale, release. Take a turn to any one side, make pillow of your one arm, and then gently sit back, keeping your eyes closed. Sit in any comfortable cross-leg position. We will end the session with 3 Om chanting and Shanti mantra. Inhale deep. Om. पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ peace peace peace. Gently rub your palms together. Place them on your eyes. Face, heart. You know why we recite Shanti 3 times? Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. There are 3 things: Adi Devikam, Adi Bhautikam, and Adhyatmikam. So Adi Devikam for all natural calamities, whatever happens naturally, natural disasters. For that we say Shanti for the first time. Adi Bhautikam means all the disturbances created by human beings. For that we say Shanti, that it should be in peace always. And another one is the evils around inside us. Adhyatmikam, inside us, whatever is there, it should be in peace. So we recite Shanti 3 times. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.